I think it makes all the sense in the world.
It does.
Teachers are going to hate it.
That's what I was thinking.
Because they look forward to the snow days more than the students, actually.
Like, I need a break from these
But
kids.
they don't like to see the school year extended.
That's true.
And they don't necessarily want to give up, have to come in on a Saturday.
Right. It's a matter of how many days are built into the calendar. They want to use all of those days and not have any additional.
Yes.
Exactly.
So there's campaigning for us to bump up the snow total sometimes.
If you can get a PhD online, you can certainly go to school online.
You can learn to spell squirrel.
Exactly.
For sure. Let's take a look at what's happening out there so far this morning. We're talking about the month ahead. We've reached the 1st of August, and of course, it's going to be a hot and muggy month. It is our second hottest month of the year, just behind July. Our average temperature, though, does drop just a little bit over the next 31 days, from 90 to 86. Average low temperatures drop by 3 degrees, so just a little bit of progress downward. Approaching the peak of tropical storm season, which actually arrives in early September, but August tends to be a little busier month. We'll see if this is actually a busier month in the Atlantic. And we lose exactly 60 minutes of daylight through the upcoming month as the days start getting shorter as we head towards the first day of fall. It does not feel very fall-like, though. Looking ahead to this August specifically, the latest forecast from the Climate Prediction Center calls for near-average temperatures in our neck of the woods, partly because we're expecting above-average precipitation for the second month in a row. Good chance of that, actually, not only just for central North Carolina, but the whole southeastern U.S., seeing that above-average chance of above-average rainfall. We're not seeing any rain out there right now. We're actually in pretty calm conditions. Been tracking that one little shower making its way up through Harnett County. Of course, that's going to be heading directly towards downtown Raleigh. Just barely enough to wet down the roads. I don't think it's even going to produce any puddles. The bulk of the rain is falling a little bit farther out to our west, but everybody kind of in a break from the action right now. That's not going to last all day. We'll see more scattered showers and thunder showers developing. A chance by late morning, more likely as we head into the afternoon and early evening hours, but not as much activity as we saw yesterday. So rain chances closer to 50-50 today. We'll bump those back up as we head through the day tomorrow, though, because another little ripple in the atmosphere is going to give us another chance for more storms. There is a chance that any storms that develop today would become stronger. I really think the better chance is going to be farther out to our west once again, towards the Triad, towards Asheville, towards Charlotte. Keep an eye on any storms that develop. There were a couple strong ones yesterday evening. Outside right now, just a lot of cloud cover, but a few more breaks in the clouds compared to the past couple of mornings. I think that July sunshine is going to burn through the clouds at a faster rate and warm our temperatures up even faster than they did yesterday. Low to mid-70s for current readings at 75 in Rocky Mount, Goldsboro, and Clinton, 74 in the Triangle. We are going to warm up hour by hour, but slowly at first. The clouds will be there to start the morning, and then we get rid of them as we head towards late morning and early afternoon. A mix of clouds and sunshine that warms things up to the mid to upper 80s, likely to hit the upper 80s for high temperatures this afternoon before those scattered thunderstorms develop as we head towards late afternoon and early evening. Higher storm chances tomorrow and Friday, and then we'll start to taper things off a little bit as we head into the weekend, which means our temperatures will go up back up to the low 90s by early next week, which is why I'm going to Canada.
You are going to have the best weather.
Literally, I'm going to Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's going to be, what, in the 40s in the morning, probably?
Yeah.
Ooh, you're going to need a jacket.
Yeah.
That'll feel nice, though.
It might, yeah.
Here will still be separated that humidity. It is sticky out there this morning. Road conditions